Welcome to the start of a new series that I am calling Futures in 5 Minutes, where we take some of the most interesting and challenging future trends and attempt to take a deep dive into them in 5 minutes or less. Today we are looking at chimeras, and that's specifically chimeric animals and plants. So when you hear the word chimera, you might think of the mythical creature that you see in the picture here. But in science, chimeras are organisms that contain cells from two or more individuals, and these can be even across species. They hold incredible potential for medicine, but also raise significant ethical concerns. So let's explore this fascinating and complex field. Chimeras occur naturally, like in some twins who share cells, but scientists are also creating them in labs. For example, researchers have introduced human brain cells into mice to create a chimera to help them study human brain function. Now imagine a world without an organ transplant waiting list. Chimeras offer a potential solution to the global organ shortage. Scientists are working on growing human organs in animals like pigs, aiming to create transplantable organs, and so far they have seen some success in growing kidneys in pigs. A significant breakthrough occurred in 2023 when scientists in China created the first live-born monkey chimera using stem cells. So this monkey had a high percentage of donor cells across various tissues. And this opens up the possibility for studying human diseases, particularly neurodegenerative diseases, in a model closer to humans than mice, that being monkeys. Now, chimeras aren't just for medicine, they can also help us address global challenges like climate change. Scientists are developing chimeric plants with combined traits from different species, such as tomatoes that are resistant to pests, or cassava plants with larger roots so they grow stronger and quicker and larger. These innovations could enhance food security by boosting agricultural yields in a world that's facing climate uncertainty and potential risks to the global food supply. All of that being said, it's probably obvious where the biggest concern is with this. Chimera research offers incredible potential for medicine and other global challenges, but it also raises profound ethical questions that demand careful consideration. Creating animals with human cells blurs the boundaries between species, raising concerns about animal welfare and the possibility of inadvertently creating animals with human-like abilities or traits. To realise the potential benefits of chimera research, which could include overcoming organ shortages, modelling diseases more effectively, and even combating climate change, we're going to have to proceed with a great deal of caution, ethical awareness, and dialogue between public sector, private sector, medical professionals, ethicists, and everyone across the board to ensure that any progress we make in this field is well controlled and is beneficial for humankind as a whole. How soon might this happen? Well, it's already begun, as we've mentioned. There are some successful pilot studies taking place so far. With something like this, it's at least 5 or more years away. Some people have put it up to 100 years away before it's mainstream. Reason being that although we have made progress already across the world, because of its biomedical nature and its massive implication on biomedical ethics, it's likely to be a very slow progressing field. We might call it a wild card. It has potential for a gradual impact. So while some wild cards have immediate effects, almost day and night or overnight impacts, other wild cards like this may unfold slowly over time, leading to irreversible consequences. As they say, you can't put the genie back inside the bottle. So that's the end of this 5-minute Futures. I hope you like this new format. If you do, let me know below, and if you have any questions or comments or suggestions for videos, leave those down below as well, and be sure to subscribe for the next episode in this new series.